The bell in Beggs has been the heartbeat of town for nearly a century, marking weddings, funerals, Sunday mornings, and everything in between. We told you back in August, water damage threatened that nearly 100-year-old bell tower. The community feared losing more than just the brick and mortar. Members and neighbors now have prayers answered. 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch went back there today and has a special update.
Rex Godsey never imagined that the nearly 100-year-old bell tower at First United Methodist Church in Beggs would finally get the repairs it needed. Water damage discovered set off a chain of needed fixes.
Well, we have tried every avenue that we could come up with, anything that anybody could imagine to help raise money.
Back in August, I told you how the bell tower had water damage, causing a ripple effect of repairs around the church. Currently, the church is in phase 2. The bell repair needs about $250,000. So far, the congregation and community has raised roughly $115,000, and crews are already repairing and upgrading the front of the church.
Prayer, God answers prayers, and that's what we've asked for more than money. Community to join with us and pray that this mission is complete so that we can continue our other missions.
Neighbors and former members have stepped up, drawn by the decades of community roots. Church members say many people who no longer attend still care about preserving the town's landmark.
The people of Beggs have a connection to this church as well as the other churches here, but this is the oldest one. They are interested in seeing it, and we're hoping that when we open the doors again to the bell tower, that they'll all come in and check it out.
And in just a few short weeks, the church will be able to once again pull down on this rope, ring the bell for all the community to hear. Reporting, I am Emma Birch, 2 News Oklahoma.